Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to add picture overlay and add animation in CapCut, just like what you see right here without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and make sure I close this project file right here. And then I'm going to start all over from the beginning so you can get it properly. For that, first thing first, make sure you click on new video right here to import your video file. So for that, I'm going to use this particular video file right here. I'm going to click on here to import this video file, then click on add video. So this is the first thing you need to do is to add a video. So this particular video here, I'm going to cut some parts, select on the video, split, and make sure I click on the here and delete this part right here. Now I have this particular video right here. I also need to adjust the video frame. For that, I'm going to select on the video, then increase the video frame and adjust the size properly, just like what you see right here, just like so. Now you can see the video has been properly expand. Next thing we want to do here is to see how we can import the picture and make it the overlay of the video in CapCut and add some kind of fancy animation to it. So for that, what we want to do is to make sure the video is unselected, just like so. Once you unselect the video, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and make sure you look for overlay. So click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, go ahead and click on add overlay, just like so, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Photos tab. Under the photo tabs, then you can select a picture you want to use. I have a lot of picture right here, so I'm going to go ahead and use this particular picture. So I'm going to go ahead and select this picture, click on add. Now I have the picture right here. Next thing we want to do is to point out area where we want the picture to appear. Like for instance, I want this image to start from this point right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag the image and make sure I leave it in where I want it to start. So when the video starts right here, no image, but all of a sudden the image pump up right here. But you take note that where this image is pump up here is not properly positioned. How do we adjust the frame, reposition the image, and have different kind of animation and effects to this image? So first thing first, adjust to resize the image. So once you are satisfied with the size of the image, I'm going to take it right here so that it does not cover when I'm talking right here. Now, how do we add animation? What you need to do right here is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on animation tab. So when you click on animation tab, you have in animation and you have out animation. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this particular template right here. So you can see the in animation right here. So if you are satisfied with that, then you are good to go. You can also choose different templates right here. This is another template right here, just like so. Now, if you are satisfied with it, just go ahead and click on this check mark right here to confirm the animation. So let's find out. So by the time the video play, now we have the animation sliding with the image right here. Now we can as well add intro animation. For that, go ahead and take the play head to the last part of the overlay. Then go ahead and click on animation again. Then we can go to outro right here. So from the out right here, you can choose any of the template right here. So let's go ahead and check on this template. Just like so. Once you are satisfied, click on this check mark to accept. Now let's play the video from the beginning right here. Let's play the video now and outro. Just like so. You can do this method to add as many as possible image as overlay and add different kind of effect as far as this particular image overlay in CapCut is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.